Let's eat children, or let's eat children. Proper punctuation can save lives and definitely save you from sounding confusing. In this video, you'll learn how to use 12 essential punctuation marks in English correctly and confidently. Make sure to download your free guide to English punctuation by clicking on the link in the video description, and I'll send you an easy-to-read PDF with the summary of today's lesson. Punctuation mark number 1 is a period. This is used to end a sentence with a statement like, "She loves reading." Or an indirect question like, "I wonder where he went." We use a period for an indirect question. Periods are also used for abbreviations like DR period for doctor or ETC period for etc. Punctuation mark number 2 is a comma. This separates parts of a sentence and is often used when we would naturally pause a bit when speaking. Use it for lists. I bought apples, bananas, and oranges. And to separate clauses, phrases in a sentence like this. When I arrived, she was already there. Punctuation mark number 3, a question mark. This is used at the end of direct questions like, "What time is the meeting?" and "Are you coming to the party?" Number 4 is an exclamation point, which shows strong emotion. We use it for excitement, urgency, anger, or commands. For example, "I can't believe it," "Watch out," or "You idiot." Number 5 is a colon. This is used to introduce lists or explanations. For example, there are 2 choices, stay or leave. Remember this, never give up. Number 6 is a semicolon, and it separates 2 independent clauses. Remember, that means each clause could stand alone as its own sentence. For example, "I love coffee. It keeps me awake." Or, "The sun was setting. The sky turned orange." Number 7, quotation marks. We use these to enclose direct speech or quotes like this. She said, "I'll be there soon." He asked, "Are you serious?" We use these when quoting the person's exact words. We wouldn't do it with reported speech, like she said she'd be there soon. Number 8 is an apostrophe, which shows possession, like Lisa's cat is so cute. I borrowed Brian's car. It's also used in contractions like don't, meaning do not, it's, meaning it is, and there, meaning they are. Number 9, parentheses are used to add extra information like side explanations, clarifications, or afterthoughts. For example, my brother, who lives in Spain, is visiting. Can you get milk, bread, and eggs if they have any? Number 10 is a hyphen. This joins compound words like well-known, part-time, and long-term. Number 11 is a slash. This shows alternatives. For example, this form must be signed by the child's parent or guardian. It's also used in dates. We can write July 4th like this, 7/4. Finally, number 12 is an ellipsis. This indicates omitted text or a long pause, often used for trailing thoughts or hesitation. For example, "I don't know, maybe we should wait." Or if we are quoting, "to be or not to be." The ellipsis shows that there is more text after that, which we have left out. Now that you know how to use the 12 most common punctuation marks in English, can you write your own examples? Give it a try to practice. And make sure to download your free PDF of this lesson by clicking on the link in the video description. You can level up your grammar even further by getting my basic and intermediate English grammar ebooks. They'll help you understand grammar clearly and use it confidently. Check out the link in the video description to get those ebooks.